So do you have ADHD or is it just phone addiction? In this video, we're going to answer that question and come up with solutions. ADHD has definitely been on the rise in recent years, and I can't confidently say that it actually comes from the phone. It's one of those things where you've got causation versus correlation, right? So correlation at the same time, these two things are sort of happening together, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the increased phone usage in society is causing the ramp up of ADHD. But you could say things like, if you do have ADHD, right, maybe you are more inclined to spend more time on your phone. Okay, that's all the sciencey, nerdy stuff, right? But what I care about is solutions. Like any good business person, right? I care about solutions and getting things done. So we're not going to look in the realm of logic and science for our answer here. We're going to look in the realm of just being nuts, just being a crazy guy. So the answer to the question I posed at the start of the video is, it doesn't actually matter if you have phone addiction or ADHD. You need to choose the one you can control. So if you have ADHD, you are going to be in a situation where you are diagnosed with something and it is out of your control, right? It's genetic. But if you have phone addiction, that means it's in your control and you can get over it. So always choose phone addiction because it's in your control, and then you can take steps, make a plan to fix this. If phone addiction is something you struggle with, I do want to help you. It's something I used to struggle with. I have a course just for this. So you're going to be part of a community, an amazing community of people who want to strive and get better and really shake this off, really shake it off once and for all, not sort of yo-yo back between, yes, I'm feeling good, and then, oh no, I'm in a doom scroll again. No, we're going to fix it once and for all. It's only going to take a month. Where you can find this is in my school community. It's going to be called the Phone Smasher course. There's going to be live calls, there's going to be workbooks, accountability groups, and at the end, when you do finally recover from this, you'll be asked, given the opportunity, if you feel confident, to present what you did and how you managed to do this, right, to your fellow classmates. Now, I really hope you join up because I want to see you there. I want us to fight this, get over it, and I want you to do so many productive things. Anyway, that's all from me. I hope to see you there, and I'll see you in the next video.